Today we prepare a classic Italian dish, simple and nutritious, rice and peas. Perfect for all seasons, this dish is light yet satisfying. Ingredients: 320 grams of arborio or carnaroli rice, 300 grams of fresh or frozen peas, 1 medium onion, 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 liter of vegetable broth, 50 grams of grated Parmesan, salt and pepper, optional, butter, optional. Prepare the vegetable broth and keep it warm throughout the preparation. Finely chop the onion. In a large pot, heat the extra virgin olive oil over medium heat and add the chopped onion. Sauté the onion until it becomes transparent, but take care not to burn it. Add the fresh or frozen peas to the pot with the onion. Cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally until the peas become tender. Pour the rice into the pot and mix well, allowing the rice to toast lightly and absorb the flavors of the oil, onion, and peas. This step takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Begin adding the hot broth, 1 ladle at a time, stirring continuously. Wait for the liquid to be absorbed by the rice before adding more broth. Continue this way for about 15 to 18 minutes until the rice is cooked al dente and creamy. Make sure the rice does not dry out too much, and if necessary, add more broth. Once the rice is cooked, turn off the heat and add the grated Parmesan, mixing well to blend everything together. If you wish, you can add a knob of butter to make the rice even creamier. Adjust salt and pepper to your taste. Serve the rice and peas immediately, very hot, garnishing with a sprinkle of Parmesan or a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Rice and peas is a very versatile recipe. You can enrich it by adding some diced cooked ham or speck for a more intense flavor. Originating from the peasant tradition, this dish has become a staple in Italian kitchens precisely because of its goodness and simplicity.